Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 9 maths chapter 1 number system from the NCERT maths textbook, and we are discussing the 15th part, that is the example 7. So let's get into the question. Here we are going to see that show that 0.3333 and goes on. So with this we can say that it is going to be a repeating. It is going to be what? Repeating. Okay, so it is a repeating decimal, and it is also going to be non-terminating and repeating. It is repeating and non-terminating. So that is equal to what? 0.3 bar. I told you already in the previous videos that when we are given a number like this, so with one number, if the same number is going to repeating, wherever the pattern is repeating, there you can put a bar. Hope you understood this. If not, this explanation is there in the video where we have discussed the example 5. Okay, there I have discussed about this. So can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So please be very careful, children. Here the given number is 0.3333, and this we can write it as 0.3 bar. Okay, this is how you are going to take it. So let's get into the solution of this. Okay, so here we are going to consider this value to be x, because we don't know what it is. So we have to divide it by 1000 or something, it will again become very big. So we can very easily reduce it. So we are taking x to be 0.3333 and so on. So here we have it to be repeating after one number alone. So since we have the bar for only one number, we are going to write 10x. We are going to multiply both the sides by 10. Okay. So what we are going to do here is we are going to multiply the left hand side and the right hand side by 10. So what you are going to get is, you are going to get 10x is equal to 10 into 0.3333 and so on. So what you will get here, 3.3333 and so on. That is going to be 10x. Okay. So here what we can do is that we can write this as 3 plus 0.3333. Is it clear, children? Yes, because 10x is going to be what? Again, when you multiply it, so it's going to be 3.33 only. So this 3.3333, when you multiply, you are going to do this. So 3 plus 0.3333, and what we know about 0.333? So this is going to be your x. Okay, so this you are going to substitute for this value. So now what I'll get is, I'll get 10x is equal to 3 plus x. Why? Because this value is going to be your x. Okay, so 10x is going to be 3 plus x. So this is our equation to solve for the value of x now. So what we got is 10x is equal to 3 plus x. Taking x to the other side, you will get 10x minus x is equal to 3. So what will be this? 9x will be equal to 3. So x will be equal to 3 by 9. So cancelling, you will get 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So x is equal to 1 by 3. What was our previous consideration? This to be x. So first consideration was that x is equal to 0.3333 ... which is nothing but 0.3 bar. Okay, but now what did we get? We got x to be what? 1 by 3. So we got x is equal to what? 1 by 3. So what can we say that? We can say that your 0.3 bar is going to be 1 divided by 3. Is it clear, children? Yes. So when you are going to be given numbers like this which are very quickly repeating, Unlike your example 6 where you had a very bigger number, this is the easiest way to do. Okay, otherwise in that way also you can represent it, but when you are given simple numbers you can very easily use this method. So I would prefer using this method. So what did we do first? We considered this value to be what? X. Then since we had it to be repeating after every single number in only one digit, so you multiplied the LHS and RHS by 10. Okay, so your X was 0.3333. So your 10x was what? 10 into. So you got 3.3333. That you made it to be 3 plus 0.3333. So where you got it as 3 plus x, which was your 10x. So taking x here, you got 10x minus x equal to 3. So 9x, it is 3 here. So 9x equal to 3 and x is equal to what? 3 by 9. So therefore we got the value of x to be 1 by 3 and this is our answer. Have you understood this, children? Yes. So we have similar questions again coming up in example 8 and 9 also with slightly different patterns which we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Okay. Thank you, children.